Hi, my friends. We're going to talk about numbers. We've been talking a lot about the numbers 0 through 5. We've been learning to recognize them. We've been learning to write them, count object groups with them. We've been looking at them on a number line. We've been doing a lot of things with them. So we're going to take a look at writing them today and also putting them on a number line. So number order, number sequencing. Remember, we learned that word sequencing. That is to put things in order, to follow an order. So we're going to do that with my share screen. Let's see if we can get the share screen up. And I thought today that we can make a number line and we could also practice writing our numbers. So I'll pick up my drawing tool and we will see if we can do the number that means this. Nothing, empty, no fingers being held up. 0, you're right. So for 0, we're just going around and we're closing it. Here's our 0, pretty easy. Kind of reminds me of an egg or almost like an oval. And then what comes after 0? 1. So remember, walk straight down and then you're done. Walk straight down and then you're done. Walk straight down and then you're done. I am a number 1. So we just walk straight down and then we're done. I am a number 1. And then the number 2, a little bit curvy, around, slant down, and then across. Around, slant down, and then across. Around, slant down, and then across. I am a number 2. So let's try that. Around, slant down. Remember not to go straight down. Slant down like a slide, and then you walk across. I am a number 2. All right, what comes next? 0, 1, 2, 3. Walk around and around again. Walk around and around again. Walk around and around again. I am a number 3. So to do our 3, we walk around just like we said, and we keep going around one more time. Remember in class, the secret to that was not to pick up your pencil. You just walk around and go right back out on the same line and go around again. Walk around and around again. I am a number 3. So it's touching. It's very tight and it's touching. We saw that if we pick up our pencil and then we try to go back and finish it, it doesn't always touch tight. So that's not really my best 3. Let's erase that one. Where is my eraser? Erase, erase. Okay, now get my pencil back. And remember, for the 3, walk around, keep that pencil down, and just go right back out and around again. I am a number 3. All right, what comes after 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's a pretty easy one, just lots of straight sticks. Down, across, and then straight down. Down, across, and then straight down. Down, across, and then straight down. I am a number 4. So let's try that. Down, across, kind of like you're making an L, and then straight down. I am a number 4. Down, across, and then straight down. Down, across, and then straight down. So do you see the L? Down, across. Pick up your pencil and then go straight through it. I am a number 4. All right, what does that take us to next? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go across and down and then around. We give him a big belly and his belly goes out in front. So we go across and down and around. I am a number 5. And we just have to remember where his belly goes, out in front of him. So now we've got our numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to try to put these guys on a number line. So let's see if I can erase these. Get my eraser. Erase 0. What's this one? 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Erase the 4. And erase the 5. Erase, erase, and erase. Great. And now we're going to see if we can draw a number line. All right, so get our number line. And we'll pick up a line drawer. We'll get a pretty thick one. Okay. And we're going to draw a straight line all the way across. Okay. And then we're going to see if we can turn this into a number line. All right, so we've got a number line, and then to make the rest of our number line, we're going to need to make the little lines that go up and down. So this line that I just drew was a horizontal line. We know that word. We've been learning that. It goes from left to right, a horizontal line. Okay, and now we're going to draw some vertical lines. The vertical lines go up and down. We know that word too, vertical, up and down, like a tower or a column, vertical. So let's put a vertical line in here. There's one. And another one. There's another one. So how many do we have? 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to put another one in. Okay, so those are our vertical lines. First, you draw your horizontal line from left to right, and then you make your vertical lines. And let's number these vertical lines. We want to start with the smallest number we've been talking about. It means nothing, empty, 0. So I'm going to make a 0 right there. So I'm going to pick up my pencil and see if I can make a 0 on my number line. I'm going to walk around and I'm going to close it. There's my 0. Okay, that's kind of a big 0. So I think I'll go a little bit smaller. Okay, what comes after 0? Remember, we are ordering our numbers. We're going in sequence. We want our numbers to go in order. So we start with 0 and we're going to move to the right. Anytime we move to the right, our numbers get bigger. When we're on a number line and we move to the right, our numbers are getting bigger. That's the way we're going right now. To the right of 0, 0 plus 1 more equals 1. Walk straight down, and then you're done. So we've got 0. Now let's do our next one. 0, 1. Let's go one more. 1 plus 1 more equals 1 plus 1 more equals 2. Around, slant down, and then across. I am a number 2. Ooh, okay, I can see our number line is happening. 0, 1, 2. Hey, what comes next? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 more is 2. 2 plus 1 more. We're getting bigger. We're moving to the right. 3. Walk around and around again. I am a number 3. We are building this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? I think you got it. So if we just count, we can figure it out. 0, 1, 2, 3. We can also do it with math. 0 plus 1. 0, add 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 more is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Down, across, and then straight down. I am a number 4. All right, what's going to come after 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What goes right here? Let's do it on our number line too. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 4. Add 1 more. 5. Yes. So across and down and then around. I am a number 5. We made our number line from 0 to 5. If we start at 0 and we move to the right, our numbers get bigger. Every time they get bigger. All right, but what if we were to go backwards and we moved from the right side and we went backwards? We moved to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. What were we doing? Were we going backwards? We were going backwards. Okay. So going backwards makes our numbers get smaller. As we move backwards to the left, our numbers got smaller. 5, take away 1, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1 to 1. And if you have 1 and you take 1 away, you're back to 0. Okay, so there's our number line. And what if we took some of these numbers out? Do you think that you could figure out what is missing? Let me pick up my eraser. I'm going to take some numbers out. Okay, so I'll make it kind of tricky. Okay, so now we have missing numbers on our number line. What goes in these missing spots now that they're gone? Well, 0, something should go here. 0, 1. Yes, 1 should go there. We can put a 1 there. All right, what goes over here in this empty spot? In this empty spot? How could I figure this out? I could count forward. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 comes next. All right, so walk around and around again. I am a number 3. All right, but we still have a missing number here. So I could count forward, or I could even count backward. I could start at 5 and go backwards and see if I could remember my numbers. 5, 4. Should that be a 4? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I think so. But let's just check it and we'll count forward. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the 4 is missing. Down, across, and then straight down. Okay. So let's see if I take out some more. What if I take out 0? What if I take out 5? What if I take out 3? Okay. Now can we figure out what's missing? We better start at the beginning. Okay, if this is a 1 here, but there's one more number that could go here. If we go backwards, what is smaller than 1? What is smaller than 1? 0, yes. 1, go back 1, take 1 away, 0. We know a 0 goes there. That's not my best 0, is it? I can try that again, no problem. Like we practice at school. All right, let's try another 0. Around and close it. That's better. All right, now let's just fill in these places right here. 0, 1, 2. What's missing? 3. Walk around and around again. 3. All right, let's keep going and fill in all the missing places. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a 5? I think so. Across and down and then around. It is a 5. Okay, so you can do this at home. You can just get a piece of paper and draw one long horizontal line. Remember, going left to right. You can draw one long line and then just draw your vertical lines up and down like towers, the columns. And I drew how many of these vertical lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't that different? I needed 6 vertical lines to make a number line that had 6 numbers on it. But I don't see a 6. But look, you have to count the 0. That's a number. This is a number. 2 is a number. 3, 4, and 5. So I actually have 6 numbers on there because I put a 0 in there. So you can just draw your vertical lines and then number them. See how far you can go. Okay. Maybe you can have your family help you with the number line, and then they can put in some of the numbers and leave some of the numbers out. And then your job is to be the mystery solver. Solve the mystery and write in the numbers that are missing. That would be fun. Be a mystery solver with the numbers. So I would love for you to make some number lines and tell me about them and even show them to me. That would be fun. So there's lots of ways that you can practice your numbers, writing your numbers and doing your number lines and solving the number mysteries. So I hope that you can have fun with this and tell me all about it next time we see each other. Bye-bye for now.